Have you ever wondered why we speak so many different languages? The story of the Tower of Babel offers a fascinating explanation. After the Great Flood, all the people on Earth spoke a single language. They settled in a land called Shinar and had a grand idea. They said to each other, "Come, let's build ourselves a city with a tower that reaches to the heavens so that we may make a name for ourselves." Their motivation wasn't just about building something amazing. It was about fame, power, and a declaration that they didn't need God. They wanted to reach heaven on their own terms. So they got to work making bricks and laying them one after another. The tower grew, climbing higher and higher into the sky. It was a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. But God looked down and saw what they were doing. He saw their pride. He saw how their unity, a powerful gift, was being used for a selfish purpose. Instead of working together to honor him, they were building a monument to their own glory. God knew this kind of pride would lead to their downfall. So he decided to intervene. He came down and confused their language. Imagine the chaos. One moment, a bricklayer is asking for more mortar, and the next, his words sound like complete gibberish to his coworker. The architect's instructions became a jumble of strange sounds. Arguments erupted. Frustration mounted. The incredible unity that had made the project possible was shattered in an instant. The construction ground to a halt. The tower, once a symbol of their combined strength, now stood as a testament to their confusion. Unable to communicate, the people abandoned the project and scattered across the face of the earth. The city was named Babel, which means confusion, because that's where the Lord confused the language of the whole world. This ancient story is packed with powerful lessons that are just as relevant for us today. First, pride destroys progress. The people of Babel were so focused on making a name for themselves that their project was doomed from the start. They built for their own glory, and it all fell apart. True, lasting success isn't built on arrogance. It's a powerful reminder that when we let our ego take the lead, we often end up with a mess. Second, unity is incredibly powerful, but its purpose matters. God isn't against unity. In fact, he encourages it. But he blesses unity that has good motives, not selfish ones. When our teamwork is centered on honoring God and serving others, incredible things can happen. But when it's all about us, our power, and our fame, it leads to division, just like at Babel. Third, we all need God's direction. The people of Babel had a big, ambitious plan, but they left God out of the equation entirely. The result? Confusion and failure. This teaches us that no matter how detailed our blueprints are, if God isn't our guide, we're likely to get lost. Big plans without God often end in chaos. Fourth, human success is nothing without God's blessing. They were literally trying to reach heaven with their own hands, but they ended up scattered and confused. Why? Because God wasn't at the center of their efforts. We can achieve a lot through our own strength and talent, but true, meaningful success, the kind that lasts, is a gift that comes from God's blessing. Finally, the story of Babel teaches us about humility. God gives each of us gifts, skills, and opportunities, but these are meant to be used with a humble heart. The builders of Babel used their skills to impress the world. The lesson for us is to build our lives not to impress people, but to please God. When we use our talents for his glory, we build something that truly endures. So the next time you're embarking on a big project, whether it's a career goal, a personal dream, or a community initiative, remember the Tower of Babel. Check your motives. Are you building for your own glory or for God's? Are you seeking his guidance, or are you trying to do it all on your own? Let's build our lives on a foundation of humility and faith, ensuring that what we create stands the test of time. Thanks so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that explores these timeless truths. See you in the next video.